Hello friends, how are you? Definitely you need a hydraulic lift for your small house, and that's why you have come to that video. So let me tell you some of the important points about that lift. The first point is that it's a luxurious lift for small domestic houses, and it can be installed for maximum 35 feet, and it is no maintenance lift, means there is no need to do any kind of maintenance for that lift. And we need 4 feet by 4 feet of space to install that lift. And after installation you will get the platform which is 4 by 3, and we don't need to dig a pit for that kind of lift. And we use the Blain, B-L-A-I-N, Blain ball, and the system which is imported, that is used to install that lift. So the important point I have already told, and let me repeat once again the points. The first, that is luxurious lift for small domestic houses. It can work up to 35 feet. No maintenance lift it is, and space we need only 4 by 4, and the platform is available for 4 by 3 after installation, and we don't need to dig any pit for that. And the system of Blain valve is used to install, and it is with full safety features. So it is a nice lift, luxurious lift, safe lift. If you want to know more about that kind of lift, you may contact me on my email or Skype ID, or you may contact me on my phone number. Thank you. Thanks for watching.